Hey guys, Mama Dean here. So today I just kind of wanted to show you guys a way that I clean my windows on the trailer. They've got like really bad hard water stains on them, and I've been fighting like so hard to get the stains off. And a product that I found that actually works really good is it's called a zip cleaner. And Home Depot, that's where I got it from, is the Home Depot has like a lot of different zip cleaning products, and the best one that I found is, here I'll show you guys, is I use the zip shove and tile cleaner, and that I found works really the best. Even though it's a tub and tile cleaner, it just seems like it just removes like the hard water stains and the lime scale off of the windows. So what I have is I have one rag when I spray the stuff on the window is to wipe it down, like scrub it up really good, and then the other rag to just dry it off. So let me show you guys. So it takes like a couple of applications that I found to really get it good. So I'll show you guys how that works. Okay, so I'm going to start on the back window here. So I just take it and just spray like a really good thick heavy coat all over it. Now, but then just spray it really good, and then I just let it sit for like a couple of minutes. Just really let it just soak in and everything. Okay, so I got my hand dandy rag. So let me get up the ladder here. So what I'm going to do is just wipe everything really good. And I know it's probably really, guys really can't tell a big difference on your TV or computer, whatever you're watching from, but it already looks so much better. Yeah, like that just makes like a big difference right there. So okay, so let me show you guys. So I did this window, and then I have to do that window, so you can tell like the difference between the two. Now this one I've really been having a hard time with, so I'm going to see if I can really get this cleaned up. But before I get to that window, I have to move those solar panels because they are right in the way, and I don't want to break them. Change of plans. So I will just put the ladder off to the side right to there. That way I don't move these or anything, because they kind of make me nervous. I don't want to break them or bend them or anything. But so what I'll just do is I'll just move the ladder right to there, and I can just kind of swing over, get onto that ladder, and then swing back over and get onto the other ladder. So so we'll get that done, and don't worry, I am careful. Some of you were probably wondering. So well, let's hurry and get this cleaned, and it does look like we do have, let me show you guys. Looks like there is a storm that's supposed to hit. I thought we were going to get the storm last night from yesterday's vlog, but like we didn't get anything, and that, but it is, the wind is picking up, so we'll hurry and get this done. And okay, so I have the ladder right here. Then what I can do is just climb up onto it, come right over to here, and then work on that window. Okay, so both windows look 10 times better, and I just got this window done right there. Your justice. So right up there really quick is that Dusty installed this little solar motion light, and what is so nice about that is like if we have to come outside to hurry and grab something that we forgot, or if like the dog walks by, it'll just go off. But it's just like a good peace of mind to just have that little extra sense of security. What's nice about having these windows just so nice and clean is I can now look out and into the pasture and see how the cows are doing. And yeah, the cows have wandered off throughout the pasture, but guys, that is the view that we get to see every day, and it is just absolutely beautiful. Remember I said that that storm was hitting? It hit! Look at this! It is like blowing snow like sideways and just like every which direction. So I feel like a weather reporter holding on to my hood. So so hey guys, we'll see you later.